Hello, good afternoon, teacher and classmate. Today we'll speak about my personal information. Okay, continue. Okay, what is your full name? My full name is Doris Paola Orjuela Garcia. Where are you from? I am from Colombia, Barranquilla. Okay, how old are you? I am 27 years old. Okay, what is your email address? Okay, my email address is dorisorjuelagarcia@gmail.com. What do you do? Your occupation. Okay, I am a teacher, but now I don't working as a teacher. Okay, and I make headbands. For example, this picture, this is my headbands. Okay, describe the place where you live. Okay, it is a large house. It has a large living room, 3 bedrooms, a bathroom with a tub, a full kitchen, and a tourist with several motorcycles. Look at the picture. Okay, personality. What are the hobbies? I like to do cardio. Making headbands is my passion. What is your favorite food? Okay, my favorite food is rice with sweet chicken and marigold juice. So delicious. What is your favorite movie? Okay, why? My favorite movie is Crepúsculo because I like everything romantic. Okay, it's my favorite. What is your favorite book? My favorite book is the Bible because it is my life manual. It's very important in my life. Okay. Mention some of your qualities, positive and negatives. Okay, my qualities positive, supports, I am loving, I am friendly and sincere. And negative, but temperate, introverted and not socially. Okay. Routines and weekend plans. Okay, I get up 8 a.m. I bath my daughter, then we have breakfast. When we are done, we play as well. We have lunch. Then I study for hours every day. At the end, my daughter takes her nap in the afternoon, and when she get up, we have dinner, and that is when night falls. We fall asleep at 8 p.m. night. She's my beautiful daughter. Okay, what do you usually do on weekends? Okay, usually before the COVID starts, I will go to the park with my family. I will go to the shore with my brothers and husband, my daughter, and we will also go to the beach in Barranquilla. Okay, a significant person in life. Okay, a significant person in my life is my mom. My mom is a really important person for me. She is 54 years old. She does craft, very beautiful things with her hands. She lives in Barranquilla. She's tall, white, teeth, long, black hair, thick eyebrows, small nose, big eyes. He is an outgoing, cheerful, friendly, affectionate, and sincere person. Her weaknesses are bad temper, ridiculous, and desperate. Okay, and finally is share and experiences that make you feel happy. Okay, this is the most important experience in my life because that made me feel the happiest woman was the day my daughter was born. It was the day that I could feed the pets. I feel that I was born again. I give life to the most special beginning in my life. Having my daughter in my arms, I true love. My baby, I love you so much. Okay, describe an event that made you feel sad. Okay, the sad day in my life was when my paternal grandpa died. It was the hardest moments in my life. I was very emotional attached to him, and I felt that a part of my life left me. When he was gone, it is the hour and I need it. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.